Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Rust and Steam so changes persist. Next, navigate to the Facebunch Rust config folder in App Data or the Install directory. Once there, make a backup copy of the config you'll edit. This prevents mistakes and lets you restore defaults. Once backed up, open the client configuration file with a plain text editor. Make sure the editor runs with normal permissions. This first step prepares the exact file where the game reads motion blur settings, so changes take effect. Now edit the config. Search for the motion blur parameter labeled R-motion-blur or similar. If present, set it to 0. If missing, add a new line exactly, R-motion-blur 0, and save the file as plain text. Once saved, optionally set file permissions to read-only to stop Rust from reverting the change. Right-click, Properties, Set Read-Only. Make sure the syntax matches other entries and there's no trailing formatting that could break parsing. These middle steps remove the in-game blur at load. Launch Steam and start Rust to verify the change. Observe menus and gameplay to confirm motion blur is gone. If blur remains, return to the config to confirm the parameter is exactly R-motion-blur 0 and that the file saved correctly. Next, try clearing shader or cache files and use Steam Verify Integrity of Game files to restore missing pieces. If edits fail, restore your backup and repeat edits step by step. This troubleshooting tip fixes issues caused by typos or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.